Hello guys, gals, and pals. Welcome back to Dr. Fleshface. Today we are going to be playing Slime Rancher. I play this game a lot, so we're going to be making a new save file. Here we go. Oh yeah. Yeah, well, it's an adventure. This will be a new series on the channel. God, finally. 1,000 light years from Earth, on a planet called the Five-Bay Range, Beatrix LeBeau begins her first day as a slime rancher. Oh yeah. I never lag like this. It's probably because I'm recording. I need different plorts. Okay. Now give me your delicious plorts. Give me your plorts. It's a pretty chill game. Oh wait, what? Oh shit, I didn't mean to do that. I wanted to get a farm. Uh-oh. 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 You made a mistake. You little bastards. You're gonna eat the carrots I give you. Fucking stupid slimes. Okay, I'll just sleep for the day. My throat burns for no reason. What the hell? Why are you guys doing that? Oh, there's so many plorts everywhere. Hey, what are you doing at your containment cell? You idiots, I'm giving you food.
Okay, all I want is some tabby cats. No. We gotta speedrun this bitch. Meaning, we're gonna go far beyond on where they're... Hi, chicken. That chicken's dead. Give me your plorts. Give me, yes, delicious. Hey, stay away. Eat the food I give you. What the fuck is wrong with these guys? I love growing carrots, so these guys will love my farm. Ow. You ungrateful little shit. No more carrots for you. What the fuck? They're like stacking on top of each other. Yes, eat the plort. Oh shit, I forgot how big you get. Gotta demolish this. I'm thinking once we get this this one filled up with rock largos, then we can end the video. Woes. Let me run. Thank you. Now all I need to do is to shove a hen down that fucking thing's throat, and it'll eat it and make a plort. Make another plort. Do it. No. Ah. Anyway. Ah! Screw off. No! They're escaping. This is the plort that ruined my plan. Anyways, now I've eradicated every memory of that slime, so... What the hell? Now I want you to eat, Mr. Rock. Thank you. Ah! Ow! Just go ahead and make your plorts. Just so I can eat. Good. Alright, we did it. So I'm gonna grab this and we're gonna sell it. Oh, we're gonna reap the benefits. Alright, that was the first episode of our Slime Ranch playthrough. I hope you all enjoyed. I hope you all have an amazing day. Peace out.